Hey guys, welcome back to yet another Excel series, lesson number 20, insert and delete Excel in Excel. Okay, so let's say you're having some columns and those are of no use. So what do we need to do in order to remove that, or you want to insert some another columns into your existing sheets? So what the one way to do is right click that cell and say insert. Another way to do is, let's say you want to insert multiple cells, we right is click on multiple cells, let's say over here and over here, and right click and insert. So by default Excel inserts the cells to the left of the column. Okay, so in case you want to delete this cell, you will just right click it and delete. If you want to delete multiple cells, right click, delete. In a similar fashion, if you want to insert a record over here, you will just right click it and insert. If you want to insert multiple cells, right click, insert. Okay, so if you want to delete, similar way you can delete it. However, if you want to, let's say, insert some cells in between some rows, then you will right click those cells and let's say insert. Okay, so this will insert that cell in between those rows. But let's say, but in case you want to do it with multiple cells, you will have to press Ctrl and then select those cells. However, let's say you won't want to press Ctrl and you want to repeat the inserting and deleting actions, so we can also use F4 command. So let's say F4 is not specific to inserting and deleting, but it just repeats the last command. That is just a tip I am saying to you. So if you just right click and let's say insert, so let's say then you just scroll down and you say, let's say you want to the insert cell over here, right? Just select that cell, press F4, select this cell, press F4, select this cell, press F4, and so on. You can continue with this option. Similarly for deleting also. So now coming to the other section, let's say you want to delete a cell over here. Okay, insert a cell over here. Okay, so if you insert a cell over here, if you see, this data and this data are different. Okay, so you don't want to touch this data, you want to only insert a record over here. However, if you just right click and insert, it is creating a record over here also. So in that case, what you need to do is select this cells only, right click, and if you see the dot button over here, just click it and shift cells down, so it will create a cells downward. In a similar way, if you want to delete it, right click, delete, shift cells up. Okay, so if you want to insert cells in multiple rows, just select those multiple rows, right click, insert, shift cells down. Okay, so those are different ways wherein you can insert and delete cells, columns, rows. You can also insert a sheet like this. Okay, so if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.